This 2025 CrossRoads Sunset Trail SS279BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new CrossRoads is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features a granite gray interior, sleeps 10, stovetop burner, LP detector, smoke detector, external shower, skylight, water heater, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, slide-out, TV, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry/exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2025 CrossRoads Sunset Trail SS279BH is 6,270 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.